guys, it's day 2 of the district writing assessment. So I'm going to go ahead and just explain what the plan is for you guys to do today, and then show you what you need to do to get that done. So really quickly, let's just pull up this timeline again here of our time working in the district writing assessment. Okay, so here we are, me jumping for joy on day 2. Tomorrow, February 10th, you have your first checkpoint, right? So you're going to check with me to make sure that you are on pace. By the end of class tomorrow, you should have chosen a topic from your choice board and read and watched the sources that go with that topic, okay? So to do this, what you guys are going to do in your district writing assessment is you're going to make sure you watch this introduction video, all right? And then you're going to go into this choice board, and you're going to get options for what to write about for your district writing assessment, okay? Now, please remember when you see these steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, that you need to complete step 2 before you move to step 3, all right? So if yesterday you didn't get done working in this Pear Deck presentation about argumentative writing vocabulary and taking notes on that, then you need to get that finished, okay? And then when you're completely done with step 2, then you'll move here to step 3, right? And that's where this choice board comes into play, okay? So you'll pick your topic from here. Each one has different sources that go with it. So your goal is to at least get started reading some of these today. And then you will be on pace here to have chosen a topic and read and watched the sources for the end of class tomorrow. All right, now, if you guys have any questions at all about what you need to do, please shoot me an email. I'm keeping it open all day long. I'm happy to help however I can. Remember, you guys need to build those habits that will lead you towards excellence, and that includes working on this writing assessment at home. All right, guys, have a fantastic day learning hybrid, and I will see you back here in person tomorrow.